Little red here, do it.
All right.
Darling.
I know.
Michigan and now entering Indiana at 10:23 p.m.
Only 3 stops in, still doing fine. We're at one of our rest areas in Indiana right now. Say hi, guys.
Saturday morning, we are crossing the river, headed into Kentucky, leaving the great state of Indiana. And there is lovely city of Louisville. Not a bad view. More updates to come in the next state.
It is 6:18 Saturday morning. We are now in Tennessee. And we're out. Rolling out on our way our way to Memphis. Hurry up. We are now in Mississippi at 12 noon. We are about an hour away from our destination. See you. At 12:58, we are in the city of Oxford. We are on our way to the warehouse. Here we are, heading down Industrial Park. Going down the Do Not Enter street.
Good.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Get a shot of this.
must be the welcoming committee.
Oh my goodness! Oh, wow. Thank God for you all. Thank you. A long trip with it. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're filming, aren't you? That's so very nice. Oh.
I feel like we're still sitting. You're anxious for cold drinks. The men's room is down the hall. First of all, my husband and I are the rookies on the roll today.
Oh, okay.
Neither one of us have ever done anything like that. So.
Makes it a little different, doesn't it?
Do I have to watch the bumper in front of me?
No, just don't hug the curb too close.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ladies, what would you like to drink? We've got
Let me
sodas,
give you
all
a little
kinds
bit
of
of
diet, regular
Lemonade.
soda.
Is that lemonade?
Lemonade?
History of this. Ron called me the other day and said, I'm from Oxford, Michigan, and we want to do something for Oxford, Mississippi. Said we don't want to do a water drive.
Loretta,
And I said,
what would you like?
we appreciate it. Thank you.
No, I
It'd be
think
great if you could. He said, we just want to have a thing that we can connect with Oxford, Michigan and Oxford, Mississippi. As we got to talking, it kept on growing a little bit, didn't it, Ron?
Yeah. Yeah.
And,
It was always supposed to be one pickup truck.
We didn't bring that truck, did we?
he called me back and I said, Ron, I said, we can use the water, but we need other things. We're not hurting too bad here in Oxford because we didn't get to feel the brunt of the hurricane, but there's folks down in South Mississippi that's hurting terribly bad. And I gave him can openers, breath mints, breath strips, several things to underwear to bring, and they have gone out. This town has and got that stuff and have brought it to Oxford, Mississippi for the hurricane victims. God bless y'all.
If I may, I'd just like to say one thing. This is Becky and Phil. They work with me every day, and it was us last Friday morning sitting in my office saying we need to do something. We just knew we had to do it. So we talked about Red Cross, and us three said, it's not the money they need. They need food and they need water. They need it now. So, that's how it kind of got rolling. And these people are my dear friends. I called on them. They stepped up. Actually, my father-in-law, I called him last night. He came down and we drove. And Jeff works with me, and my buddy Todd and Larry, and Jeff is Phil's brother, and Jeremy and Don works for our village, and Connie and CJ is our local reporter, and Loretta, and where's Chris at?
He went out to get
He went out. These guys, they didn't ask how long is it going to take. Because they did, I told them 13 hours, but I think it's been 19. But you know what? This is a reflection of our community, and I think it's the same reflection of your community. And I know if the roles were reversed, you guys would be there for us, and I think that's why our country is so great. And this is the least we can do, and everybody at home is waiting for us to come back to hear the stories and to share the love and the excitement that we experienced, not only here in the short time we're going to be here, but the 40 hours we're going to spend on the road together as a team, because it has meant a lot, and I'm just glad that we could be a part in helping you guys out. So thanks for having us. Appreciate it.
Mr. Howell is one of our city aldermen, and he would like to say a few words on behalf of the city of Oxford.
When that band trail rolled up, I thought about the school that I work at. I work at Oxford High School. Our colors are blue and gold.
Yeah, we saw that. We almost caused an accident.
But on behalf of the city of Oxford, in the absence of our mayor who had a previous engagement today, he couldn't be here, but he apologized for that. The mayor and the board of aldermen and citizens of Oxford, I'd like to welcome you here. I'd also like to thank you for traveling so far to bring the hurricane, victims water. I'm sure that water will be put to good use, and thanks again for doing that. anything that we can do for you while you're here, please let us know. I really want to go back over to the high school where I work and get some T-shirts to bring back over here. But anyway, Ron, would you stand up, please?
Sure.
On behalf of the city of Oxford, Mississippi, I would like to give to the city of Oxford, Michigan, a key to our city, Oxford, Mississippi. Also, we have some, is it time for this?
Yeah.
Okay, also, for our guests, we have some, this won't pay you for driving for it. But it would.
If it's clothing, you have to
You
wear
would
it
have
back.
something to remember Oxford, excuse me, I'm sorry, Oxford, Mississippi by.
We were planning on stopping at the weigh station because of the water, but with the body mass that we brought, we had to stop at every weigh station.
Also, the city of Oxford, Mississippi, Lafayette County and the University of Mississippi is extremely thankful for Oxford Wire and Cable to let us use their facilities on a temporary basis to hold this stuff. And I'd like the president of the company to say a few words to you.
The reason I accepted your people come here today is we have a lot of business in Michigan. Many customers in Michigan. So if I make a trip next time to Michigan area or Detroit, you guys take care of us, come to home, stay, travel expenses. But anyway, that's a joke. But
Do you have any freight to go back? It's cheap.
First of all, I know you already. Many people said thank you to you all, the people from Oxford, Michigan, and looks like we are sister company now, right? Is that right? Okay. You stuck with us. And we are very glad to provide this kind of space and place for your people, and everybody stay, rest here. I'm sure you drive long distance, tired, and we provide the space for sleeping for short hours also. Okay, and personally from me is I know there are many people who is still suffering from difficult times, from bad disasters. And it is very hard to avoid such a natural, disasters in anywhere. But I feel people get together here today is very brave to accept the facts. And through our community, it is very good for us to have this kind of occasions. So enjoy lunch and have a safe trip back to your Oxford, Michigan.
Thank you.
Yes, that's for, hopefully you'll have a wall maybe or a place in your Parks and Recreation office. We have a little something.
Oh, they don't have to space at all.
Becky and Jeff, go ahead and open it up, guys. I mean, you're all part
And
of it.
also, before you leave, the red cups up front with the Oxford T-shirts in them, these are extra large. Please pick up one. The white cups, large.
Uh-oh.
Extra large, large.
Maybe some damage done in there. Oh, it's pictures of the streetscape of their town.
Oh, Leave your town. Take pictures of the light posts. And
Put those in our Parks and Rec office. Fantastic. Thank you so much again. We'll send stuff, trust me. Keyword there is send it. We'll send it. Thanks again.
I'd like to introduce Jimmy Allgood. He is an emergency management coordinator for the Lafayette County. The county coordinator or the county administrator is out at the resource center. And I'm going to ask Jimmy to say a few words on behalf of the county.
We're glad y'all made it okay. We deeply appreciate it. I've been to the coast since the hurricane. Those people are going to need everything y'all bought. I mean, they're hit hard. They're hit very hard. We'll use it here for victims here. We've got a lot of people that have come in from New Orleans, Louisiana, from South Mississippi, and we just deeply appreciate from the county and the city's end of things. Y'all just don't know how many people this is going to affect. I mean, it's going to help a lot. So we thank you.
I'll speak for the university on behalf of the university. The last time that we had an interaction with people from Michigan was on a football field, and I think y'all whipped up on us pretty good.
Now I have to root for Ole Miss.
But on behalf of the university, listen, y'all, we are a community of university, city, and county, and we deeply appreciate the university does what y'all are doing for these folks. We've let the county and the city take lead in this because it is Oxford, Mississippi, and Lafayette County, but the university is taking a big role in helping out with this disaster, and we're going to continue to do so. But y'all just don't know, as I told Ron the other day on the phone, and he quoted me in the paper.
No, he quoted you.
He's the one I'm looking for. I'm looking for him. I can't look him, but I think I said something about I didn't like to refer to y'all as Yankees, but y'all Yankees sure are helping us Southern folk out here. I mean, thank y'all very much. We've got food up here. Compliments of Oxford Wire and Cable. Y'all come on and enjoy while your trucks are being unloaded. And if, as the president said, y'all can sort of sack out here. We can make other arrangements down along with the United Way. Has a contact. Her system has a house that she's offered for y'all to go. Just whatever y'all need. Whatever y'all need and want, y'all let us know. We'll make it happen. Yep. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a question. There's a lot of people in Oxford that are still doing a lot, collecting a lot. We have one woman that literally has stuff showing up on her front porch all the time. If there's a way that we can get it specifically to your area, because I know when we go back, they're going to want to know where can we send more, what else can we do?
Are you getting mail?
What? I'm sorry.
Are you getting mail here?
Mail? Oh yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Well, there are a lot of. We got a list of a lot of zip codes that aren't accepting mail right now.
Buster, we have an extra seat in my truck tonight. Every week I will just keep driving back and forth.
No, he's not going anywhere.
What we've got set up, folks, and let me just give you a brief overview. The university purchased an old Walmart building. We set up a resource center out there for people to come in. The Red Cross, the United Way, we have a medical team out there. We're feeding people as they come in. It's not a shelter right now. We're directing all of our clothing to the Salvation Army because they have ways of getting it out to folks. And we're directing all of our canned goods to the pantry, which is a food distribution place here in Oxford. That's how we're doing it here. We don't have a central collection point for just stuff to come in as far as people want to know that. And one of the reasons behind that, and Jimmy can attest to that, is people are so gracious to help everybody. And we get inundated with stuff that we can't use or can't get signed. And we're trying to control what we're getting through here to make sure we're getting what they need down south.
That's the reason Buster gave you the list of specific items.
And everything else will be shipped to Buster's house.
No, ma'am.
You can't turn a dirt truck around our driveway. It's not enough room.
Ron, my suggestion would be when you get back, if you let me know what you've got, I can help you get it at least directed towards somebody.
Okay.
We have one guy that's, and his name is Fish, just like Fish, but he is working with the Southern Baptist Association convention, and he's got a network of trucks and other things that can get it from Oxford on south, and he's got tie-ins with other places that we can. But we need specific things.
Right.
Okay.
Buster, can I
say something about, if anybody wants to go downtown or wants to kind of take a little tour, or somebody wanted to go by and get a bunch of t-shirts or something, or if you want to go see the resource center, just we're available. Just let us know. Let me know.
Why don't y'all, if you're hungry, please come and enjoy the food.
If anybody wants to go into town and get anything, I've been going for a while.
It's beautiful, but I thought that's what it was. Of course, someone
I
tried to
want
tell
a
me I
tour.
was wrong.
Who was doing tours?
There's only one way to do it.
Well, somebody was offering tours.
I'll take you on one. Yes, ma'am. I'll show you where we're at.
He's got, I think he can carry about 6 people. and we
You got
got
boys that 4 different times. It's a small one.
You want to use this tripod?
I've been 21 hours with my kids. I miss them already, so I feel like I'm